What is allulose? Okay, allulose is again another sugar substitute. This one doesn't provide volume. It's not a bulking agent, but I love allulose because it's like monk fruit. It's as sweet as regular sugar. Pero ano yung role ni allulose? Okay? Allulose is actually good for caramelizing, for syrups, even for drinks, for custards. Okay? Gusto mo soften yung iyong mga binibake. And for ice cream, allulose is good for that. Because allulose doesn't crystallize like erythritol. If you use it appropriately, si allulose, no, let's say caramel syrup, you want to caramelize your sugar, you want a brown effect, then use allulose, no? If that's what the recipe calls for. Pero, 'di ba? You cannot, if you use erythritol sa mga syrup, nagki-crystallize po yun. Let's say, syrup ng leche flan. 'Di ba? If you use erythritol, lagay mo lang sa chiller sandali, hindi na siya magli-liquidify na matigas na siya at para siyang bato-bato. Yun yung erythritol. But if you use allulose, like I use allulose for my caramel syrup, for my low-carb condensed milk, okay, for my leche flan syrup, you use allulose, I use allulose for my ice cream, wala po siyang crystallization. But again, for baked goodies, it's not a bulking agent. Meron lang siyang ibang paggagamitan. As mentioned, sa mga syrups, no, and custard.